Yeah, my bad. I had to change that one. I don't know if I was feeling that too much as an intro or something. But what's going on, everybody? Cuffing the Dip coming at you guys with another one, guys. Hopefully everybody's feeling good out there. Feeling great. Not too shabby. Not too bad myself. Market is still looking quite interesting, which we'll dive into and kind of look into what I've been paying attention to. But how have you guys been feeling out there? I don't think this song too bad. I think I can run with it. Smooth vibe to it. Yeah, we'll run with that one. What's going on? What's going on, Baby Fat? Early in the building. Must be childless tonight. What's going on? What's going on? Cuffin fam, what's going on? What's going on, Omar? How you feeling? What's going on? Hold on, let me grab a drink. 2 seconds and I'll pop my screen on and we'll get to it. Give me 2 seconds. All right, I'm back, y'all. I had to grab me a grape soda one time. My girl got these watermelon joints too. Them joints is disgusting. I'm gonna let y'all know right now. If y'all going to store in Walmart or something like that, and y'all see a crush and it say watermelon, do not drink that joint. It's not it. What's going on? Oh, we got a celebrity in the building. What's going on in the crypto shop? What's going on, man? How you feeling, man? What's up, Hobbs? What's to it, my brother? But yeah, man, let's look to this market and see what's to it, man. Let me refresh, make sure, because I'll be leaving my screens up for a minute. All right. And let me know if the music's too loud for y'all too, man. I don't know if I'm really feeling these sprinkles like that. It was cool at first. I thought the beat was gonna drop a little heavier. This ain't bad. Grinding and dealing with the kids, bro. Yeah, trust. I definitely feel that. My girl about to go to work. It's about to be just me, so it's gonna be a short, medium, long stream. All that good stuff. But let's see. So everybody was real hyped about the pump in the market, more or less. We were looking pretty good, man. Went into 1900. Couldn't complain about it, but it did retrace and come back. I actually had a couple different levels on my chart that I was looking at that were resistance levels for it as we get closer and closer to 2K. I actually doubted that it will reach 2K, but I mean, it's still up in the air. We can see how things are going. It did, like I said, it did retrace a little bit, which I'll pull up. Let me pull it up now. Pull up my other. Sorry, because y'all know my screens be messed up. Which I'm gonna figure that part out. Let me bang full screen. Down like that right there. This channel. So to me, just staring at it, it's still trading within this channel, which it has hit a resistance level, which if I can zoom in a little bit more, I could full screen it, but I will lose my other indicator that I'm trying to show you guys also, as far as like the smart money being in the market and kind of leaving out of the market. But it passed this threshold for me that normally tells me to pay attention. Like, it's smart money in the market, but it's passing a threshold to where they normally start to leave the market, if you will. I mean, if you pay attention to it, it's happened multiple different times. It passes, well, it goes up, it starts to come in. This is where the volume kind of starts to come in, which is why I've been paying attention to this indicator so much lately. Volume comes in, goes up. You can see it goes up with the chart. Then we hit a peak, starts to come down there. Then you see this dip right here. It's almost like the same as the chart. but the you can look and see like the chart follows smart money, not retail money. You know what I mean? So it's definitely doing this thing. It was choppy around this range, and then you see the smart money kind of leave out the market, retail money take over, which causes that dip right there and transitions. But if you look, it all kind of transpires from this first time that it goes over, it reaches a peak as far as the volume for the smart money that's coming in, trade sideways for a little bit, then it starts to downtrend pretty much. Peaked up, had a little bit more volume, still downtrending if you're paying attention to it, and it goes down to where you don't really see any smart money in the market like that, where you see the biggest dip really. So the music got a little loud. Let me know if it got loud or not on y'all. Let me know. Grinding with the kids, yes sir. Definitely already know what that, man. My daughter will be down here banging on my desk in 0.0. I don't know when she's waking up. What's going on, Arthur? What's to it? How you feeling? What's going on? What's going on? We got Randolph in the building. What's going on, Randolph? Just stop by for a minute. So love to the family. Yeah, man, definitely appreciate it. Still fighting health problems, man, and I hope you feel better, man. We definitely are wishing some good health your way, man. I appreciate you for stopping by. Definitely appreciate that. We got Nelson in the building. What's going on, Nelson? What's going on? What's going on, man? Speaking of that, I actually been seeing something cool transferring around that I'll try to tap into. Something interesting, a different perspective of something being added to the market. It was kind of cool that I bumped into it. But yeah, so it looks like I said, around I don't know if you guys can see these smaller yellow bars on the side. Let me full screen that joint. You know what I'm saying? They change as you kind of scroll in, but just for visual sakes, around like this range is where it kind of had its highest resistance at. It did go above that range, but then it did retrace below it, and then it kind of came back up to retest. It looks like at this candle, which is why you see it wicking right here. It came up to retest that resistance, so it seems like it's getting rejected, but it could come back and try to retest it again. I don't know. If it did get rejected, we have a couple different catches that may catch it up as far as support, like around this range. But other than that, it's not a whole lot of resistance until come back to like 17 or so, which will still be inside that channel though. It just depends. There's so many different variables in the market right now currently that I've kind of been just kind of waiting things out to kind of see where it's gonna go. I mean, you could swing trade this. There are multiple different opportunities to swing trade it. Yeah. Let me see how these smaller market cap tokens are holding up during the situation. Gwei is only 9 right now. Was 9. Gwei is not high at all. Who do you want to check out first? Matter of fact, since I scrolled past it and I was telling you guys about retracing, I'll pull up this Pyro token just really quick, just because I remember a lot of people were coming in saying pretty much this doesn't retrace, that more or less they were saying that you got to get in now. I'm like, man, everything pretty much retraces. So this is currently retracing. It was at about $10 and some change. I think it got up to almost 1070. But you know what I mean? People were saying, yeah, get in. This is where you got to do your own research and kind of make your own decisions and kind of see like, hey, is this the best for me? Because this is pretty much getting in at the top. Momentum is, you know what I mean, at its highest. Volume is at its highest. That's when you don't want to get in unless you're professionally trading and you're swing trading this or something like that, which I still wouldn't suggest anybody getting in at the top. You don't really make money like that. You got to find those good support levels and kind of let the chart like breathe or consolidate for a little bit to kind of make those good decisions. I wouldn't just go off of you know what I'm saying, off of somebody telling me, hey man, go ahead and buy this chart because it's pumping right now. Nah, you're just going to continue to pump and then you're going to end up getting dumped on, which does not make you profits. Man, tell them, man, say it for the people in the back. Trade the chart, not your heart. Yeah. I even told them I would have to repay it. I got to get my replay machine back up and running. I even told them, I'm like, man, I don't buy the top, big fella. You know what I mean? Like that's not it. You know what I mean? I just can't do it. But let's start at the bottom, man. Let's see, because it's just be outrageous how much volume be going through this joint sometimes, even when there's no volume in the market. So 24-hour volume on this V1 Saitama that is shut down is 6K. So it's a lot of tokens, you know what I mean? Like right now, they may not be up in that range, which is crazy. Like right now, Apecoin only at 14K, but the shutdown V1 Saitama is at, you know what I mean? Like how Sway? I don't understand it, but you know what I mean? If you understand it, I'm with it. I am more than with it. Ignore my my random ass boxes. I be trying to like show examples of people. Sometimes I end up leaving it on the screen. But this right here, Apecoin, everybody had their own opinion about it at first, especially when those rumors came out about the Nazi stuff. And well, I don't even know if you can say that on stream. Maybe I take my stream down, but you guys know what I'm talking about. I ain't gonna say it twice, but all the other stuff about the Apecoin and Bored at Yacht Club, all that good stuff. So it's you know what I mean, there was a lot of controversy, but still I felt like when it did take that downturn and it came down to like $3, you know what I mean, high $2 range, it was still a good pickup. So I mean I like the fact that it's trading in between its zone right now. It did get rejected at this line of resistance for me, so I think it's still going to do what the market does. This closely follows the market. As you can see, it pumped a little bit with the market and then it retraced a little bit with the market. So let me see what we got. Yeah, what's going on, Nelson? They tried to get me in Pyro at $2. I still said nope. Man, it's interesting, you know what I mean? Because it's like I think the initial use case to that one, which I still need to do some research on, is just the burn of the token itself. My whole thought process was how do you bring revenue into the actual ecosystem to make that burn relevant? Because you know, a burn is normally cosmetic unless there's volume to follow that burn, you know what I mean? Because that's what really puts a burn into play, unless you're doing a buyback and burn. That'll really affect the chart also. But as far as price wise, burns are really cosmetic more than anything else, unless there's volume to support that burn that's being done, you know what I mean? So at least that's my perspective of it. So yeah, what's going on? Ape is man, what I'm trying to tell you. Yuga Labs and well, technically I guess Yuga Labs does not own Apecoin, you can say, you know what I mean? But I guess, I mean, it would be smart to not have your token in the same name as your business, I guess, per se, just for tax purposes and many other reasons. So I can definitely it's just the backing behind it. Like they got too much money behind that project for this project to fail. I don't see how it'll fail. Cuff 2 weeks till Vegas. Interesting. Yeah, man. You going out, Are you going out there? Let me find out, Nelson, that you will be in Vegas in 2 weeks, because we're definitely me and Just a Grover 04 will be out there. We will definitely be out there and about going to that NFT con. That's going to be a real thing, a real vibe out there. There's some after parties at the NFT con. Pretty much good networking all around, good event. Vegas, yep, Vegas in 2 weeks. Vegas in 2 weeks for that NFT con. Hey, Hobbs, y'all, BTFA going to the NFT con out there in Vegas 2 weeks, man. I know there was a couple different projects. It's not a bad token for what it is, but mofos wasn't yeah. That's another thing. Like when you got people that were in super duper early and it's already up, you know what I mean? There's no telling when that run's gonna stop, you know what I mean? And I'm not trying to be exit liquidity. My goal is to trade smart. So I definitely feel that at all times, you know what I mean? You gotta be aware of your surroundings. It can be the greatest project in the world, but you still want to get in a good position rather than, because that's FOMO. If you get in just solely because you know it's a good project, you know what I mean, you didn't really know anything on the technical side where the project was, and you put in $10,000 at the top, not knowing where the token came from, what the starting price was, that it's up 3,000%, and it's almost exhausted as far as volume. And now, you know what I mean, it's starting to come down now. So there's a lot of people that get upset as far as trading and kind of seeing those type of results with putting in really close to the top with large amounts and not really knowing the technical aspects and just hearing the good parts of the business aspects of the token. I think they're going, but I have tickets booked for Daytona already, so I won't be there. Okay. So they do you know if they got a booth or not? If they got a booth, man, I'll definitely stop by. I plan on doing some you know what I mean, some networking, talking up there. I'll probably be doing a couple different streams also to you know what I mean, do some different things. I also have the flight club also that you guys know we have our project actually coming out like super soon. I think like in like a week, maybe week and a half at the longest, kind of like tying up some different things that we're finishing. But other than that, like it's definitely coming to a theater near you, so we'll probably be out there like that. But it's gonna be a networking event more than anything else. Networking and after the networking process, definitely enjoying ourselves some. Oh, okay, I've been tuned out. So yeah, I know, man. If you out of the loop on anything, let me know. I'll try to fill you in. But yeah, there's an NFT convention in pretty much exactly 2 weeks from now. Dale Crypto is actually a speaker. Darcy Donovan is a speaker, and there's a couple other pretty nice speakers that are going to be there. There's some solid projects that are going to be setting up some booths there and kind of giving people a chance to kind of see what they have to offer to the Web3 space. So there's going to be a lot of different people there. I know a lot of different people from the communities that I frequent in as far as NFTs are going to be there. I'm trying to see. I'm hoping Nelson's going to be there too, man. He said 2 weeks for Vegas, so he might be thinking about transitioning through, man. Which I'm definitely with that, man. So yeah, there's a lot of different things going on as of right now. Not sure they were discussing it, and okay, yeah, I think there's still a little bit of time, man. I think it's like 2 weeks. I think they should still have availability and stuff like that, but we shall see. I don't even know how I got World Token still on here after it took that like almost 70% nosedive after that announcement. After that, pretty much I can't hear the Minecraft announcement pretty much tanked after that. Look at Saitama, see what they're doing right now. This should be the V2. You know, we got a white screen is done. All right. Let's put it into perspective. Joint right there, middle of the screen. All right, so this joint is smooth. What are we on day? Oh, this is day chart. That's one. So we got I think my indicators moved because this can't be so this got to be the floor right here. This red line right here. I don't know why my indicators move, but drop down from. That's I'm tripping. I don't know. Damn, this is the. I don't know how my stuff done move. Sometimes I be moving the screen, but all right. So floor right there had that steep drop down. Then it came back up and trading sideways. I heard there were some rumors about there may have been a couple different areas with Saturday Pro. Other people were saying that it was running fine. So I don't know, but it's currently in a downtrend. As you can see, the lower highs and lower lows that it is kind of taking place. So it looks to be trying to find some type of bottom in this downtrend, possibly the range that it stopped at last time. Once it came to this bottom, it came up, kind of bounced off this range and traded sideways. So it just depends on volume with this one. I have not been into the news as much. I'll look into some more different stuff to try to give you guys a heads up if there is anything going on. Let's see what TRT got going on. Looks like TRT's not doing too bad. Did a hell of a U-turn. Hell of a U-turn for where it was. It's staying in between this little pocket right here, trading sideways, which is not horrible. Seems like if it does break this level of resistance, it's kind of holding it back. It has a little bit of free range to run right here, as you can see right here to the side. There's nothing really restricting this from running volume wise as far as buying and selling pressure in this range. It's really around this range where it really gets hung up at, and then this is another level of support, right? Well, support and or resistance right here. What's going on? Just a Grover 04. How you feeling, my brother? What's to it, man? Nothing too much, man. Playing this it say it's lo-fi, but I'm really feeling like I'm back in the day. Did they just get funky with it on me real quick? Y'all let me know. Like, cause it just, bruh, you know, it got funky with it out of nowhere. This sounds like a song you take somebody girl back in the day too. Don't it though? Tell me I'm lying. Somebody tell me I'm lying. If I'm lying, I'm lying. I'm sorry, y'all. It just was funny how the beat came in. Like I just imagined either a Jerry Curl Juice or, you know what I mean, like a California. I don't know, man. Some breezy was going on when I heard this song. Hold on, give me 2 seconds, guys. Hey, the crying. Hey, so she baby fat felt that. Hey, Arthur, yeah, was to it. All this background music is 80. Man, I'm like that noise right there was just like the almost like the national like 80s music sound. At least like early 90s. I feel like wasn't that used like on everybody's soundboard? They took it back with this song. Is it me? Like, listen to it. I can't make this up. This the lo-fi. Rocking a windbreaker. Hey, she gets it. I'm trying to tell you, the windbreakers were definitely hot back then. Hold on, y'all. I'm sorry. I had to go heart this damn song. They got to bring this back one day. They snapped on this. Hey, it's called Yo by The Count. What's going on, Trower? Came in right at the right song, right time. Telling you, boy. I don't know why, but this just got me jiggy. Something about the song, y'all. I just can't get past it. All right, so what I'm on right now, I'm on TRT. All right, let's hit this Grover chart. The Grover on the ETH side. See what's going on. Then I'll bring my my ugly mug back on the screen. It just shows the charts better when I full screen, and you guys can see a little bit more of my perspective per se. Just let y'all know I am dancing to this. Can't even help it. Can't even help it. All right, so looking at the Grove chart on the ETH side, guys, we're still looking good in my eyes. Was there a retracement? Yeah, I mean, that happens in the market. There was a little bit of FUD, which caused a little bit of fear in the market also, which didn't really help the downtrend. But there are still a lot of holders that are holding strong, people that are accumulating, and a lot of different other things happening with this situation going on. So This passed what was to me a weak level of support. So once it broke that weak level of support, came back up strong, hit this level right here, was actually my dry ray from right here to kind of indicate that. And it really took off from here, you know what I mean? Like then it came back down, retraced, and then it seems like it's trying to use this level, which was a weak level of support, now trying to create it into a stronger level of support as it continues to kind of trade sideways around this range. So those are all things I'm fine with. I'm okay with it trading sideways, especially while the market's trying to figure out what it's trying to do. You know what I mean? There are a lot of things that are actually downtrending right now, and you know what I mean. It could. Oh my god. There's multiple reasons why I just had to stop and laugh at this message. I'm gonna leave it on the screen, and then you let me know in the chat why I laughed at this one. All right, so we're gonna start with first of all, I love the message altogether. I know how to speak Omar too, you know what I mean? Because like, man, y'all killing me. It's the Omar and the message at the same time for me, you know what I mean? Or will thought that was Stevie for that's what I'm saying, boy. Oh man, I'm like, let me go ahead and sit this right here for a second.
Bruh.
Just one time, just sit it right there. But man, that's hilarious. Yeah, I don't know what else they get. If y'all hear a song, put a thumbs up in the crowd if I don't catch it, because sometimes I just vibe out to the song and like because there's a playlist just for things we liked. I think like on the weekends when we do the chill and chill, we'll like songs throughout the week, and then we'll just play that playlist. We'll play the liked song playlist, whether it be like a reggae song, whatever. We're throwing it out there, guys. We're making it work. This might be one of them because I instantly started to like head bop a little bit. I'm not gonna lie to you. Look and see what the volume's like. We got 77K and 24-hour volume, so not bad volume at all. Oh, Bone's still trending, huh? Okay. Ape's trending, even though it doesn't have the most volume in the world. Let's go over to the BNB side of the world, see how things are holding up. Can't remember why I like that lovely thing. Let's check on Tarp. We haven't checked on Tarp in a second. Tarp. Getting hit by a couple of different resistance levels. Seems to be in a downtrend right this second. Not doing horribly though. We'll trade sideways for a little bit. Let's see what this Grove do on the BNB side. So still trading. It didn't make it down to the bottom support line that I drew. It actually bounced right here multiple different times. So drew a ray right here to kind of indicate that, and it seems to be trading sideways along this line, which is a 4-hour chart. So not too bad. Yeah, bro, you're always making coffee around this time. You know, this is like your morning. Yes, on both sides, Grove seems to be trading sideways, but it's good news. They just had 2 exchanges get announced, and there's some more things coming. Like we're literally gonna have to hit up the hit up the Twitter and other places, kind of gonna go through these announcements and kind of break them down, because that's it's real. You said CVT has something brewing. Oh really? I haven't seen any announcements come out from the CVT camp for a while. So you're gonna have to let me know, baby fat. 3 exchanges and another one tomorrow. Another one. And another one tomorrow. Okay. So speaking of that, that's damn, I forgot. I done got the wrong advertisement up. Give me one. Bam. Get rid of that. You don't even got to go to the Grove site. You can go to John G page. Everything's right here. But you still go to the Grove site though. Go to tweets and replies, because he does get his tweet on. Vern shared it. Oh, okay. I haven't been on Twitter much today. I actually, to be honest, guys, today I've been working so hard. I actually got some rest in today. Like I actually slept for a little bit, and it doesn't feel bad. Like I was so tired. My head was like clouded. I'm smart, and like my brain was like trying to compute things, and it was not working. Yeah, I saw that Justin Grove is leaving no stones unturned. Yeah, they're definitely doing that thing. That top 10 exchange is on the way, man. I'm trying to tell you, top 10 exchange on the way, and I'm definitely I got time for that. So let's see what we got on the announcement side. Scrolling down here. Oh, we got 140 47 minutes ago to just keep it grovey, as we have the Grove symbol gliding across it. But it says we are currently working on play to earn. The Grove Keeper. Of course it freezes. Hold on, I'll give it a second because it froze. All right, the Grove Keeper, hydroponic farming, headquarters in UAE, top tier listings, more partnerships, worldwide exposure for Grove, team expansion, branding, and marketing. So these are things that they're currently working on right now, and these are things that you would like to see a cryptocurrency working on and really excelling in, to be honest. Like, these are all things that you want to see done. And like, usually these are things that you have to ask, or you see people in the comments making suggestions about like, hey, can we get this? Can we get this? Can we get this? Nah, like he's laying it out and trying to make it as easy as possible for people to see what they have going on. So I definitely like that one. And that was something that was recently put out. So we're gonna go ahead and smack a heart on that. Am I on the right page? Because normally I'm not. Okay, yeah, I'm on my page. All right, so and see, ERC20 just launched on Safe Moon Swap, so we got the DEX tool pairing for that one. I just received confirmations that Bitmart will reopen the deposit and withdrawals on GROVETOKEN. Okay, so we got some good announcements. So literally, John's page is active. I don't know how many times a day. Like he's constantly putting out. Like you just go ahead and hit that bell button for the GROVETOKEN space and John's page, and you will definitely be up to date as much as possible. Follow that Grove YouTube, as there will be some more content put on there that you can find also. So Grove does what they said they're gonna do. Another top 20 next week. Man, they are really popping the exchanges out. Justin, can we find out those virtual jobs will be available? Yeah, that's dope. Yeah, definitely Justin Grover, we can find that out, man, because I know a lot of people will be interested in kind of partaking in being a part of Grove. Grove is becoming a really big movement, and people are really taking heed to that. So yeah. So here's another announcement. This Friday will will be one of the two exchanges named announced. So yeah, I want to see what we got going on. There's so many exchanges coming out. People are saying imagine Binance. I know it isn't. Then of course, if you guys haven't checked this out, this is probably another big announcement. So we're on Thursday right now. So Friday tomorrow, you know, we're right back at it with the Twitter space. Then I'll be right back at it with a stream later that day. We'll check on the market, see how things are going on. We got Raouf, you know what I mean, Saturday, and we got Apache Sunday. So pretty much the entire week is closed off as far as Grove content and getting Grove information all over the place at every time of the day. So it's really crazy how available information is for Grove token. You know what I mean? So plus all of the announcements they're coming out with. How do you not like the execution of this token? It's kind of hard not to. If you guys can figure out a reason to why, you know what I mean, you don't like Grove token, I will listen to it, but it's just hard. It's hard for me, you know what I mean? Like everything here is in play, and they're really executing and not just saying they're going to execute or saying that they have good things coming. They're saying it and then releasing it, saying it and then releasing it, because I feel like they're not saying anything about it until they know that it's secure. You know what I mean? I believe the 40K jobs are based in UAE. I'm not 100% sure. All right, so we'll check on the and we'll get back to you on that one. Absolutely love the execution of Grove project from day one. Yeah, so they came out. They tried to do their best to put the information out, give people a chance to get on this situation early. You know what I mean, and go from there. What if I use my VPN as a hey? But yeah, they definitely had some really good execution, and it's like how do you get mad at them taking care of things that they said they would? It's hard, you know what I mean? Like they're doing things they say they're going to do, so I can't ever be mad at a situation like this. Still got buy signals on the technicals for ETH. We'll see how this ends up playing though. It looks like it's still technically in an uptrend, so we'll see if it keeps continuing to the top of this channel and trades up. I don't really want to make any like stern predictions on this one. I do feel like at some point it will downtrend. I don't know how much though, but it may run up a little bit more beforehand. That's just the reality of the situation. It's kind of crazy right now. The market that we're kind of trading in with all the different variables and such kind of going on. It's kind of cool though, also to be a part of times like this. Yeah, there's any. Will Ethereum breach 2,000 before the merge? So there's a couple different articles. If you guys want to check out these articles too, as I said beforehand, definitely will give you an idea of somewhat what the direction of ETH will go into. Oh, my screen's messing up. Give you an idea somewhat what ETH's going into. So. I am open to move to Dubai. I think everybody's open to move to Dubai. Dubai looks amazing, and I got time for that. So yeah, you got a bunch of different articles that you can really go through and kind of do what you want to with that. So me too in a few years. Yeah, I feel that. I feel that. I don't know. I don't see. I don't know if I would want to live there, just because I don't know if I would ever want to come back to America. I mean, if America just continues to to continue with the inflation, then maybe I'll transfer. Just seems like a better thing to do. Want to be neighbors, Justin? I'm dead. I love how you spell neighbors. Neighbor, but neighbor. Look at the technical, see if anybody else has. No. Okay, some people are calling for a breakout. I'll go with this. Like I said, everybody has it's all type of different predictions, but like I said, you can get all type of information. Then where's my other one? You guys know I like this one too. Definitely does its thing as far as finding the social trends. Oh, what did I click on? I click on a Grove. Is there a Grove V2 up there? Uh-oh, Gabby's in the top 5. We got John. John definitely gets his post on. Dale and John have been getting their post on. Then Lovely Inu also posts a lot about Grove too, which is interesting. I haven't really figured that that correlation out just yet. What's going on, Corey? What's going on? What's going on? All right, so we got the most influential. Is there no way I can move? Uh-oh, look who we got here. Look at that. Within a 1 week period, we got number 16 moving up in the rank. Usually we don't see Just a Man in there. Now we're seeing a Just a Man 04 at number 16. So shout out to you for being most, as you can see right there, most influential, number 16. So up there with a prestigious group of people. We got Dell Crypto, John G, Lovely, Gabby. Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot of people out here, man. And Ship General. Yeah, a lot of people out there getting their post on, man. Nice to see you out there, man. Yeah, big deal out here. Okay. Yeah, you definitely made it there, bro. Yeah, what's today? Yeah, Dale's been getting his post on, his piggity post on. 5% buy tax equals more Grove. Love it. Oh, I didn't even see this part. So actually on the profiles, it gives a breakdown of the tokens that you frequently mention. That's crazy. So 27% of the time he's on Ethereum, 19% of the time he's on Grove, Bitcoin, Jasmine. This one I'm familiar with. It's Safe Moon, Bone, Leash, Tether. It's a lot of different. Okay. That's cool. And you got to get your Grove game up, Justin. 62% of the time it says you talking about Ethereum, big fella. What's going on with these numbers, big fella? Let me zoom in. Shot Town up 4-2. Hey. Get your grind. I don't want to see you in the top 5. Yeah, man. It'd be nice to see him in the top 5. But he's going to have to stop talking about Ethereum and Bitcoin so much. Boy, his Ethereum and Bitcoin levels are on overload. He's 62% Ethereum, 23% Bitcoin, 8% SafeMoon, and 8% Grove. So Grove and SafeMoon are locked in place. That's crazy. I don't know why my screen's tripping today. Yeah, but I wasn't expecting that, Just the Grover. I don't even know if I can call you Just the Grover no more, man. I'm gonna call you Just the ETH. Just an ETH. That's interesting. No, I didn't even know it does that. Is that on everyone's page? What do you mean on everyone's page? Like, are you saying like because you look yourself up? I don't think this works like that. I think they're only tracking the top influencers or the most influential people, which means like the people who are getting the most impressions on their post or the people who are posting the most about a certain subject. So if you make a lot of posts about it, or if you're getting a lot of impressions about them, then you'll get into it. But yeah, so ran down a couple different things. Like I said, I know my baby's gonna wake up soon, guys. So I'm gonna make it quick. What else did I have to do? So, you guys got any questions, concerns? Let me know. If not, we'll wrap up. Oh, okay. My bad. Got a text message. But yeah, let me know if you guys got any questions, concerns. If not, I'm gonna get on out of here, guys. Good vibes as usual. Definitely appreciate you guys. It's been fun and real. All right, I'm not saying nothing. So, like I said, you guys enjoy the rest of your night, evening, day, morning, wherever you guys are currently located. You guys know the spiel. You guys enjoy the rest of your night. And of course, keep cuffing that dip. Look for strong support levels, guys. And remember that it is beyond crypto, guys. I'm out of here.